Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know this is gonna be a different video. It's gonna be car related, so different change of pace. I'm just gonna go over a little bit of stuff on my car, like the exhaust. Very minor stuff. I don't have a lot of stuff like that I've done to my car, so let me get to my spot or something real quick. I don't know, I'm gonna have to find an area where I can like rev it. I'm in my neighborhood right now, so I'll let you know when I get there. All right, guys, here we are. I found a little spot. So the car is pretty much stock, like body-wise. That's how I got it when I bought it. Let me see. I think, yeah, I put on these brakes. They're just normal type of brakes, EBC brake pads, you know, just like normal type of maintenance stuff. This is the same muffler from my first exhaust video. It's my same muffler. I did get a new midpipe because my catalytic converter was dead, pretty much. It was gone. I had a misfire on my car and I didn't have any coil packs for a while, and so my catalytic converter just went out. And so I recently just got a midpipe, a new midpipe. It's a full Cobalt exhaust from Miata or something. I think it's called Miata, the website. So it's a header, the Cobalt header, Cobalt midpipe, and a Cobalt muffler. And it has the resonator and the catalytic converter. Like, there's nothing, like, it's pretty much stock, but it's a little bit different. Yeah, it's a little bit louder. So we have this AEM short ram intake here, and pretty much it. I changed my spark plugs recently. Probably get new wires. But yeah, I could do a little rev under the hood. I don't know what it'll sound like. There we go. A little bit of that. And then do a little interior. Actually, I'll do the exhaust stuff first. So let me put my phone down over yonder. I don't have any type of thing to hold it up yet, so let's see. This is a very you know, like type of off the wall type of video. Like it just kind of happened, you know. Alright, so that was a little bit of revving. The mid-pipe is still I think it's still trying to break in. I've only had it on for maybe a week at that. So let me go ahead and show y'all some interior stuff real quick. So I got a new steering wheel. Well, it's like a year ago, actually. I mean, it's not too new, but got a new Nardi steering wheel. It's pretty sick. I liked it. I wanted to get something a little smaller than the stock one I had, because when I would like heel toe or something, like I would hit my knee up here. So this is a little bit shorter. I think it's like a 330 millimeter, 330 or 350, one of those. And then I got a short shifter from Miata Roadster. I think that's the name of the website. It's pretty nice. I just got it like maybe a month ago. I like it. It's perfect. And then I got this head unit right here, which you can use like Apple CarPlay or just a normal radio. Let me show you what Apple CarPlay looks like. I wonder if it'll still record while let me see. There goes Apple CarPlay. Turn that down. Got the sweet jams on. So it's pretty cool. Apple CarPlay is nice, especially on an old car. I haven't, because like when I first got this car, I didn't have any speakers. Like it didn't work or anything. So there goes that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I would do some drive arounds, but my phone, I don't know how the phone, like I don't think the phone audio is going to be that good, so maybe I'll do this again when my car is like, when I actually put more work into it, because right now it's like my car is relatively stock. So there's that. Other than that, my car is like pretty simple. I need a new soft top. I have a hole in it. I need a new one, but they kind of cost a lot. So for a soft top, it's like $700 and $500. I'm like, oh Jesus. So I'm out here sweating. I guess I'll see y'all later. Peace. Have a good one.